Shakalaka YouTube was good, man. It's been a minute since I came and I pause. That sounded crazy, but it's been a minute since we have talked about the markets and trading today. As y'all boys can see, I am down 160. Well, I'm up $160. I'm going to be getting new combines today. I was up $500 today. What happened to it? Overtrade. But we did take some good trades today that I want to talk about. My losses, I want to be seen like I want to be known as the perfect guru, so we're not going to be talking about those losses, but we did lose today. But let's talk about the wins, okay? First off, now this main thing is very important when you are trading, right? Finding the trend, okay? And I peeped this last night when I was back testing last night, right here. I seen this, and the same exact thing that happened in my back test. This way you should back test, right? The same exact thing that happened in my back test session happened today. And it allowed me to catch a trade that I just called and call out what happened. I called out this morning. I don't know. I should have the recording of this morning of the trades and stuff like that. Me talking to my students. If I don't, I'm sorry. You know what I'm saying? But I told them that I was expecting a dip into this NWOG right here, right? We had a dip and we swept liquidity over here. You know what I'm saying? We swept liquidity and then we had a dip in this NWOG. After we had a dip in this NWOG, we had a V shape that showed us that a reversal is coming in. Okay, perfect. Remember that. Showed us that a reversal is coming in, and we could be looking for a buying pressure, right? And this allowed me to catch this trade, this pullback, and push up. But not just this, because I initially had my entry right here. I initially had my entry like right here. I missed it just by a point, and I had my take profit up here, right? Which would have hit, like, this would have been an amazing trade. You know what I'm saying? This would have been an amazing trade, but it didn't play out how we wanted it to, because I had my entry just 2 points off. But let's talk about why I had my entry at that first point overall. Okay. First off, let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Looking at this 1 hour time frame, what are we in, right? I identified that we are in a bullish trend. So my bias today was bullish because I seen that we were in a bullish trend. And I was like, okay, most likely what we're going to do is come into this NWOG right here, feel this NWOG. I don't know if I still have that recording of me in the server, but we feel this NWOG, and then what else? Push up higher. That's it. That's what I was planning, and that's exactly what happened. I didn't enter here. I was about to say I think I entered here, but I was trying to enter at this lower point. But so what do we have now? But now I have to wait for a confirmation of that, of course, because I had buyers, right? But I don't know what the market is going to do. We could have continued down lower because we have not taken this sell side liquidity at all down here. So we could continue down lower, all of that. But no, we didn't. I seen that we was in a bullish part of the market. So I was expecting us to continue up higher, right? Of course, yesterday we had a change in the state of delivery, but I don't really think this really matters because overall, looking at this, we're going up, right? We're up. We already broke this structure. We had to break a structure here. More than likely, what are we doing? We're having a pullback right now to push us higher, right? So, sweep of liquidity here, right? You know what I'm saying? Let's delete this. Also, we came and stayed above 50% of this NWOG right here, showing us that it's more clear signs of bullish intent in the market, right? We have bullish inquiries of the market. I think that's a freaking smart word. I don't even know what it means, but it sounds freaking smart. Oh my goodness, I'm a genius. But yeah, so we have break a structure here. Once we break this structure, I'm looking for a trade now, because I know if we wanted to continue lower, we would have continued lower. And we also dipped into this fair value gap. I was looking for a trade here. If we go to the 5 minutes, right? I was expecting. Oh, and also when we swept liquidity right here, what else did we do? We broke structure right here, right? Broke structure. So my initial entry, like I told you, I was like right here. My initial entry, it's like right here. Initial entry right there, aiming for this up here, right? This was it might have been lower. Let me go to this. Yeah, it was over here actually. Yep, it was right here. My initial entry was right here, because I seen that we broke structure right here, right? We broke structure right here. That's what it was. My bad. I delete my drawings because it's a lot going on. So we broke structure right here though, right? Right here, we also have a 1 minute fair value gap that I was looking for us to pull back into, which we did, but I had mine at the 50% of this 1 minute fair value gap, and we missed the entry. And guess what we did? Ran off the TP up in the what's now. And I do trade live. If y'all boys don't know, I do trade live every freaking day in the Discord server. Not every day, some days out the week. But you know, I traded this live, and a lot of y'all they seen me predict this out and call this out in the market. But we missed that entry, but I did just catch this trade over here. Right here. I did just catch this trade. I was actually aiming for these highs because I do want to see it go, the market go higher, but we just might not get that today. You feel me? We might not get that today, and it's cool. It's understandable. Here, but what we do, I just waited for. We got a demand zone right here. I really don't trade supply and demands, but I'm starting to notice demand zones because if you notice this over here, what do we have? All of this whole area when we get to this area, it's chopped, right? And that's showing us that this is a range that we use as. So we was using this as support at one point. Now we're going to use this as we was using it as resistance at one point when we was down here. Now we're using this as support, and we should push higher after this for a little while. But yeah, man, like I said, this continuation model is insane, bro. When you trade, you should always look to the left when you are trading, okay? When you trade, look to the left, and I promise you will have some great, amazing trades. Because I looked to the left. Overall, we were bullish today, which I did catch late tonight. Like, I woke up, and I was still in the trade somehow. I thank God that my trade did not I did not lose my take profit because I know for a fact I closed the trade before I went to bed. I woke up, I was still in it, but I was up $500. And the trade I was in, it was right here. I was in this trade. I was aiming for sales, and we actually hit TP. It was another win, but I got out early when I woke up because I was like, the market about to open. Why am I still in this trade? So yeah, man, today was a great overall trading day. Understanding the market, waiting for confirmations, and looking and applying my back testing, applying the back test model that I created last night into today's, right? Like I literally seen the same exact thing happen in my back testing session, and it happened tonight. So that's exactly why you should definitely back test. Okay, you definitely should back test. Look for trades. I did take sales up here, but that's where I started to lose it. Up here, I took sales. And I actually did go into profit, but then I blew the profit again because I thought we were going to buy. I was trying to buy in right here. Like today, I just took the reason I'm down for today. If I would have just walked away and only took good trades that the 3 good trades that I had today out of the 15, I'm just playing, it ain't that much. But if I would only took those 3 good trades today, I would have been up like $2,000 just for today because I took the sales up here. Why did I take these sales? SMT at the highs. We was in a 15-minute fair value gap, I believe. No, 15-minute order block right here. 15-minute order block that we respected. Came in this 15-minute order block, SMT at the highs, and we just swept London and Asia highs. This was turn the suit model. Simple. I aim for sales, right? Aiming for sales. Boom, we hit TP. I kept getting it stop loss because I wasn't zooming out. So I told myself last night, I have a problem with this. I'm just yapping. I'm my bad for just yapping, but I'm going over the market with y'all. This is why I make this channel. You feel me? To help y'all out so y'all don't commit the same problems that I do. But yeah, so I see that we come into this 15-minute what's this thing called? 15-minute, what is it? Order block. 1 hour. I think this was a 1 hour fair value gap as well. Now up here was, but I think was it ES that I seen came into a 1 hour fair value gap? Nah, not yet. I don't know what it was. I think I seen a fair value gap somewhere. I can't remember though. Is it 30 minute? I don't know. But we do have a week. Oh, that's ES. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what it was. I thought I seen a fair value gap somewhere. I guess not. But yeah, I seen this order block right here, 15-minute and 30-minute order block right here. Sweep of Asian highs and the SMT. I went for the turtle soup model. Boom, we hit TP, but I kept messing up my entry, so I kept getting stopped out, taking little small losses, like $200 losses each time. Boom, we got stopped. I was like, okay, cool. Next trade. I was looking for a buy model. Like all of my biases were right. It was just my entry point, right? My entry model was wrong, which is just a bad thing that I got because I hop in a trade and I move quick before I have a good reason to move fast sometimes. So that's my fault. But here I tried to enter around in this area. As you can see, if I enter here, getting stopped out every single time until I got to this area. Where was I at? Right there. Till I got to that area. This seemed to be the perfect area. We was resisting at this area. I think it's a 5-minute. What's the name over here? No, it's a 5-minute fair value gap right here that we were respecting. And I want to see price. I low key want to see price deliver lower because now we're creating lower lows and lower highs right now. So I want to see price deliver lower. But yeah, today was a great trading day. It goes to show that if you just take your time with the market and be patient and be mindful of what the market can and cannot do, and looking over to the left, that you could be a good trader. This account I got like $700 left, so I'm probably gonna reset these accounts next week. Lower stay the same. Should pass. I'm gonna get probably 2 accounts next week. In the name of Jesus Christ, if everything go well. Get 2 accounts, and we're gonna we're gonna go in for we're gonna aim for what April's next week. Yeah, April. We're gonna turn that into a month where we getting straight buns. I'm talking about straight money, straight moolah, straight koala next month. You know what I'm saying? God loves y'all boys though. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'll catch y'all in another video. Peace the freak out.